Good morning, YouTube. What's your morning routine? Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your daily morning habits in English. We will cover useful vocabulary, practice sentences, and even do a fun quiz at the end to test your skills. So grab a coffee and let's get started. The first thing I do in the morning is wake up. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Let's try it together. I wake up at 7 a.m. After I wake up, I get up. Try it together. After I wake up, I get up. After getting up, I make my bed. Make my bed means to tidy up your bed by arranging the blankets and pillows. This helps keep your room neat and tidy. After making my bed, I brush my teeth. When do you brush your teeth? Before or after breakfast? Mine's before. After brushing my teeth, I take a shower. Take a shower means to wash your body with water and soap. Try with me. I take a shower every morning. Next up, it's breakfast time. You may like cereal with milk for breakfast. Or you may like my dad's favourite, which is jam on toast. It looks yummy. My favourite is pancakes. They are so delicious for breakfast. Try with me. I love pancakes for breakfast. After breakfast, I go back upstairs and I choose something to wear for the day. I get dressed. Try with me. I get dressed. Finally, I leave the house and drive in my car to work. Are you ready for the quiz? Let's start. Do we say I wake up at 7 a.m.? I woken up at 7 a.m. or I waken up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Is it I gotten up, I get up, or I gots up? I get up. Is it I muck the bed, I make the bed, or I maded the bed? I make the bed. Is it I brushing my teeth, I brush my teeth, or I brushed my teeth? I brush my teeth. Is it I taking a shower, I tooks a shower, or I take a shower? I take a shower. I love pancakes for breakfast. I lived pancakes for breakfast. I loves pancakes for breakfast. I love pancakes for breakfast. Is it I gets dressed, I got dressed, or I get dressed? I get dressed. I driven the car to work. I drive the car to work. I drived the car to work. I drive the car to work. I really hope you got so much out of this video on morning routines and you really enjoyed the quiz at the end. If you liked it, I would love a thumbs up and I would love you to subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy and learn from more videos just like this. See you later.